Public Procurement Authority PPA aye nanu adesua mechira workshop di ama akrachefo a wapa wo amantam nsia fofora watie no umu. Onyonyamfo adwoasafo ye panyimpa woda Public Procurement Authority ano na wodwumadie na sebra wode ne nsam etu dwa no o kire se asenti a edaso ne enhancing procurement practice in the newly created region to achieve value for money. Asie ne se amantam fofora watie yi ebeboa ama mangana sikasem ayeye na agina brane na sanso ama omampanyin na nado dankwa akufuado na nisoade hunu se Ghana Beyond Aid no abemu na ehu behia se saafo yi ebenya nimde afa dwumadi a wokwa akodie ewo amantam ene amansini emu.
The theme for this workshop is enhancing procurement practice in the newly created regions to achieve value for money. And this theme is imperative in the pursuit of achieving the President's vision of Ghana Beyond Aid. And the role of regional ministers and top management officials of our regional coordinating councils cannot be underestimated. Thus, there is the need to build your technical capacity in the area of public procurement. Article 240 and 241 of the 1992 Constitution and Section 142 of the Local Government Act 936 of 2016 and the National Development Planning System Act 480, as well as the legislative instrument LI 1961, sets out clearly the functions of the Regional Coordinating Council, and this includes coordination, harmonization, and provision of technical support to district planning coordinating units.
Onyonyamfo dambotwe yesoafo a wohwe amantam so na sei na wode ne nsam tu dwa.
Omampanyin etie ne manfo no de na mo hwehwe se obenya regions. Enti 6 regions, you create 6 regions. The ministry no ye Ministry for Regional Reorganization and Development. Rebecca said the reorganization aspect, no, and I'm saying, Yedikaya, Yamin there within a short time, no, yet inside Timaka. But on second, we are, I feel arbitrary all government departments that you can think of. There were 22 over the Local Governance Act now, Act 936. There are 22 decentralized departments that should exist in all regional coordinating council. 22. Now, Sebe, somebody has to be there to make sure that you plan, you focus on this. What you have, other than the ministry, we move from Nipankwe, Wemba, it did be a yes, you be yes, I did. When Penny call, probably, young 2 times. You share all the regional Unu Babina department being funded by no community, so I don't know post being called, and a wing call. I feel more trying in India, no more meetings. I see a new regional House of Chiefs. So between the Ministry of Chiefs and the Attorney General and the House of Chiefs, they are not being intent to mark. You been to say regional House of Chiefs for region dia benyanide.
Frank Mante eye acting CEO Dima Public Procurement Authority na wono so ekire ne nsem sei.
Kwasha was on your procurement. Anhwe ono no kwan so office obefa so aye no office ne papa. Na nse na nkowie nti ene de memfa ne so obia ye responsible. O say entities ni nyina wo entity. Mfa do hwe procurement law no kura na o say the head of entity no the responsibility is to be trained in the area of procurement to head the procurement unit. It is our institution be on a new created agency. No money procurement officers or what. Quite many so number for my procurement and my papa. Anything I feel say training here or no boy just for ministry organization. I want no council. Send a bear you to me a boy. My name.
Oh many men now who's in tea. Young for door. Yam Fabia Fuya no donate you mazini.